Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a quick and easy low bun hairstyle. To start, pop the hair into a mid-height ponytail, leaving some hair out to frame the face. Next, we're going to divide that ponytail into 4 equal sections, and I'm just using some clips to keep those divided. So working on the far left hand side, I'm just going to split that section in half and create a simple knot as if I was tying my shoelaces. And we're just going to repeat that same knot all the way down to the end of the hair and secure it off with a clear elastic band. Then move on to the section next to it and do the same steps again. So divide it in half and create your knot, pull it tight, and then create more knots all the way down to the end of the hair, securing them with an elastic band. And we're going to do that to all 4 sections of that ponytail. So when you've finished, it should look something like this, and taking that section on the far left hand side, I'm just going to tuck the ends under and I'm going to bring it up to the top left hand side of the ponytail and secure it with a few bobby pins all around the outside to keep it secure. Next, we're going to take the far right section and I'm going to bring this up to the top right hand side of that ponytail elastic, roll the ends underneath and lay it right next to that first knotted section and pin in place. So that would be the top of your bun. Now we're taking the one that's on the left hand side, again roll the ends underneath and push it up towards the top left hand side and secure with some bobby pins, and then taking that last section again, roll it up and then just lay it underneath that top right hand section and secure all around the outside with as many bobby pins as needed. Then we're simply going to curl the hair away from the face that we left down at the front. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.